All right, good morning, good morning. Tasha Dyer, TMD. Guys, we didn't have our live on Tuesday, but today is Wednesday, and I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's happening in the market based on things that, we talked about on Monday. And so when we're looking at what's happening, one of the things that we pointed out, here I am on an 8 hour, and I'm looking at the NAS 100. And one of the things that we pointed out is that we expected this market to go in a bearish market. We expected this to sell. We expected that. So what happened yesterday, right? We always know that the market does close for an hour. And you can see that during that time frame that the market did open with a gap, right? When it closed and reopened, it opened with a gap. One thing I want to point out, it has definitely broken this key level of support. This is an area we identified previously, and you can see that when Wall Street, when the market opened this morning, that we did have a significant drop in the market. And it is following along with everything that we pointed out on Monday. So if you're not on that 9 p.m. call, you definitely want to be there, because those of you who are learning this and trading this indice on your own, you are definitely in profit. I always also want to point out a few things that we kind of went over is that our GBP USD is still stagnant, pretty much moving sideways. What we discussed on Monday, not a lot of movement. So we identify other currency pairs that we would be looking at this week. Our AUD/USD has reached our take profit area. As you can see, this is what we identified as far as what we were looking to trade. Our NZD/JPY as well. When we look at it and what has happened, is actually reached that level where we would have taken profit on this currency as well. AUD/JPY, you guys wanted to hang out with the JPYs this week. And as you can see, we are in profit, and they're all doing exactly what we identified earlier. GBP, JPY, that as well, we've now broken another area of support. We definitely want to get that retest, but it is strong in the sale. And we already talked about that NAS 100. So guys, just, pay attention, trade, do your markups, post them in the community. But I just wanted to give you a quick recap of what is happening. Now, if I go back to NAS real quick, as we close out, this is our pivot box that we identified on Monday. And I would definitely pay attention to, right? We've already broken this area of support. I pay attention. Let me go ahead and mark that on here. I would pay attention to this area that we have right here. And then, of course, the area of support that you have. So we are still expecting this as the day goes on to decline as or continue in this bearish pattern. But if you were on the call on Monday, if you're trading with us, if you are a part of that, then you are already expecting that. Y'all have a blessed day. And my wealth community, make sure you join us. Make sure you get enrolled, right? Because this was a very profitable week so far, and it's only Wednesday.